Managing employee stock options can be complex, but with Oyster, it becomes a streamlined process that makes everything more accessible, especially if you're new to the platform. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Oyster to manage your stock options effectively and why it's a game changer for your financial tracking. First off, if you're not familiar with Oyster, it's a robust software that simplifies the management of employee stock options, or ESOs. Whether you're part of a startup or a larger company, Oyster offers a comprehensive solution to track and manage your ESOs without the typical headache of spreadsheets and manual tracking. The platform starts by allowing you to easily import all your stock option data directly from your company's records. No more sifting through emails or HR files, everything gets organized in one clean, user-friendly dashboard. You'll immediately see your options, vesting schedules, and expiration dates right in front of you. This is crucial because missing a vesting date or expiration could result in losing valuable options. But it doesn't stop there. Oyster lets you track the market value of your stock options in real time. You'll see how your stock price fluctuates, which helps you make informed decisions about when to exercise your options or when to hold off. This level of visibility can help you time your moves in a way that maximizes your financial gain. Another powerful feature is the tax implications calculator. When you exercise stock options, you need to understand how much you'll owe in taxes. Oyster makes that easy by showing you the projected taxes based on current market value and your specific tax situation. This eliminates the guesswork and allows you to make decisions that won't surprise you when tax season comes around. Now, if you're wondering about security, Oyster has you covered. The platform provides bank-level encryption to protect your sensitive data, so you can trust that your financial information is safe. And for those of you who are used to managing multiple accounts or options across different companies, Oyster offers a central hub where you can add multiple stock options from different employers. This helps you stay organized and reduces the risk of missing any key details. One of the best parts about Oyster is that it's extremely user-friendly. You don't need to be a finance expert to use it. The interface is intuitive, and if you ever need help, their customer support team is there to assist you every step of the way. Before I go on, remember that you can access this software for completely free through the first link in the description below, along with exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Keep watching because I'll show you how to get the most out of this free trial and set yourself up for success with employee stock options. As you continue to use Oyster, you'll see that it integrates seamlessly with your other financial tools. Whether you use accounting software, banking apps, or tax management tools, Oyster can be connected, making it even easier to stay on top of your finances. To summarize, Oyster simplifies the often confusing world of employee stock options, saving you time and potentially money. You get a comprehensive view of your options, real-time stock valuations, tax implications, and a safe place to track all your ESOs across companies. And don't forget, if you want to start using this powerful tool for yourself, be sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial I've linked in the description below. Give it a try and manage your employee stock options with ease. Thanks for watching.